Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add subscript and superscript in Google Docs. We are going to use three methods. First one is by format options. So let's say you want to type firstly subscript, which is H₂O. I can type first letter H, and after that I can click on format options over here, text, and here where it says subscript, just want to select this, and it's going to show you that you can now type subscript, so number 2. After that you want to go again to the format, text, and you want to again click on subscript and then type O. Now you have H₂O. If you want to type this superscript, which is going to be x to the power of 2, you have to basically do the same steps. So I'm going to type firstly x, then format, text, and superscript. Now I can type number 2. I can go back to format, text, and I can click on superscript. Even faster way is by using shortcut. So I can type H, and if you are on Windows, you want to press Ctrl plus comma. If you are on Mac, Command plus comma. So you can see the shortcuts. If you click on format, then text, you can see them over here. So I'm currently on Mac, so I have Command comma for the subscript, and for the superscript you have to type command plus period on your keyboard. So let's try it. I'm gonna press command comma, and now you can see we can type number 2. I'm gonna press it again, command comma O, and for the superscript I'm gonna press X, command period number 2, command period again, and this is it. We have x to the power of 2. Now you can also type this by using math equation. So you want to go to view, then show equation toolbar. You want to make sure it's checked, so you can see it over here. Then you're gonna place the cursor where you want to place this new equation, and here you will find math operations, and here you can see you have subscript and superscript over here. So let's choose firstly subscript. Now I'm gonna type H, and you have to press right arrow key on your keyboard. Now number 2, again right arrow key, and O. So you have H₂O. If you want to type the superscript, you can do the same. So math operations, then type X, and to type subscript or superscript, you just have to press right arrow key on your keyboard. Now you can type 2, and again right arrow key. So this is it. This is how you can type subscript or superscript in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.